Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack a Tesla Model S. Before you begin, ensure your car is on a flat, level surface. Gather all your tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and specialized jack pads. Safety is paramount, so take your time and follow each step carefully to prevent any damage or injury. Always prioritize your well-being when working under a vehicle. Now, let's find the correct lifting points. Your Tesla Model S has 4 specific jack points located just behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels, along the side skirts. These are reinforced areas designed to support the vehicle's weight. Using any other spot, especially near the battery, can cause serious and costly damage, so be precise. Once you've identified the jack points, it's crucial to use a specialized jack pad. These pads fit into the designated slots and create a buffer between your jack and the car's chassis and battery. This prevents direct contact and potential damage. Make sure each pad is securely seated in its respective jack point before you begin to lift the vehicle. With the jack pads in place, you can now carefully begin to raise your Tesla. Position your floor jack under one of the jack pads and slowly pump the handle, lifting the vehicle gradually. Once it's at the desired height, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the reinforced areas next to the jack points. Never work under a car supported only by a jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.